Hi everyone, my name is Itamar Blauer, and in this video I want to talk to you about link building mistakes that 99% of link builders actually make. And this is something that you've probably come across if you've got a website with a contact form, for instance, and you take a look in your inbox and you see the same kind of thing from a bunch of different people that are trying to do outreach to you, but their approach is completely wrong and the way they do outreach is wrong. So I will literally go one by one and show you these messages that I get from people submitting my contact form on my website. And if we take a look at the first one, the way they do outreach is really poor. And this is so consistent across the industry. And I literally think that 99% of people do this, at least from what I've seen anyway. So let's just take a look at this example. And the way that they start the outreach is there's no kind of reference to me as a person or who I am and kind of like how they know me. So it just automatically looks like spam. And the mistake that we're talking about here primarily is personalization or the lack of personalization. And this is something that's critical, and you're going to see this like with the other examples I'm going to have. I mean, this email's too, I'm not even going to read this email because it's way too long for like what they're trying to get at, which is basically for me to pay for links. This one as well, and it's like, want to go on vacation and have your blog pay for it. It's like, come on. And they're just like, okay, we've got businesses ready to pay you cash if you add links to the site. And it's just, again, no personalization. This is just absolute nonsense. And let's go down the list to the third one. So again, like, hello marketing head. It's like, what is that? I'm not a marketing head. Like, if they are on your website, they should know who you are. And this kind of stuff just tells me that they go on these different sites or they have these scrapers and they essentially just outreach the same crap to everyone. There's no personalization at all. And I'm going to keep bringing up personalization because that's something that people just don't do when they're link building. 99% of people do not personalize their link building outreach. And I don't know, again, you know, this is ridiculous. And I say 99% because I'm pretty sure it's the vast majority of people doing this as well. Again, you know, no personalization, nothing related to my niche as well, which is about digital marketing SEO. And they're offering here casino and gambling related sites. Again, hello manager. It's like, you don't know who the hell I am. They're just assuming I'm, you know, a manager or the manager of the site or whatever. I mean, this is complete nonsense. And I'm just showing these examples because you might be able to relate with this. You might have all of these different people send, even people with the same names and the email addresses might be sending the same stuff to your email as well. And I think what am I trying to get at here? What I'm trying to get at is when you're doing your outreach, the mistake that most people make is they don't take enough time to research the website that they are on. They don't take enough time to go look at the prospect's website and see what it is they do. They don't comment anything about the site that they particularly like. And it's so easy nowadays to tell this when there's no personalization. So if anyone was to look at my site, they would easily know who I am and what I do. You know, I've got where I'm based, what the kind of title is that I give myself from the website. And they would be able to know exactly who I am and what I do. And, you know, even going into the blog, and if they really enjoyed a piece of content I had, they could have, you know, mentioned that. And it's all these things that people don't do, the majority of people don't do, and they don't take enough time to research into the prospect's website. And pretty much that's like, if you don't do that, the chances of you actually getting any successful responses from your outreach is very slim. Because if you don't do this due diligence on the prospect's website, there is absolutely no chance that they're going to even pay attention to what you are saying. So if you got anything from this video, it's that you need to personalize and do your research when you are doing outreach for link building. And that's why I think that 99% of link builders make this mistake, because they don't do that due diligence. So yeah, I mean, this is again some kind of rant, but it's just important to know what kind of things go on in our industry, what most people are doing in the industry, and why potentially this leads to people getting a bad rep, especially with link builders, because link builders will get bad reps if most people are doing outreach with this kind of strategy, which is just completely mundane, completely repetitive, completely boring, and it just doesn't add value to anyone. So if you're watching this and you're one of these people who are sending outreach like that, rethink your strategy and definitely work on the personalization element of your outreach. So I hope this video helped you in case you're looking to do some link build outreach and you don't really know where to start. But if you enjoyed the video, leave a like rating below. And as always, I've been Itamar Blauer. I'll see you in the next video. Hey, you've reached the end of this video, but don't worry, there's plenty more great content that you can watch right now. All you have to do is click one of the 2 video links on the left side of the screen. And also, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to never miss out on future uploads.